I will show how you take a Western Electric Model 500 telephone set that was intended to be used on a multi-party line. If you acquire a telephone and it does not ring when you connect it up to your phone line or device, it may have had the ringer connected to an external ground. In order to make the telephone ring on a conventional telephone line, one simple change needs to be done. I am pointing to the black wire from the ringer. In the early 60s, most of the Western Electric 500 sets had this wire connected to a lead that was grounded to the telephone protector at your house. I would change that one lead. I moved the wire from the G terminal, which would normally have a yellow wire connected, and I moved it over to where the green line wire is. This will connect the ringer to the phone line, and the telephone should now ring correctly.